It's that beautiful time of year again and the grass is growing fast, but after a long spell inside the shed, the lawnmower comes out and onto the lawn. But it will not start. If you're experiencing any of these annoying problems, then come and see my channel, The Repair Specialist. You'll get straight to it through the link below. There you'll find lots of hints and tips on how to save money by repairing your own machines. Not only that, I provide videos on detailed knowledge. I'd love to see you on the inside as part of our community. Happy fixing!